Right, so I'm going to quickly explain to you how to connect these doubles up. So Joyner bolts gave us these bolts here, which will show you now how to work. We've marked our holes every 500mm. You stagger them as well, so 2 inches in, always stagger them, so they're going like that all the way down. We'll quickly show you now how they work, alright? So, take the nut off, take the washer off. This spiked washer is already connected to the head, and as you can see, flat head, which is quite good. So slot that through the hole, that we've done. Alright, nice and simple. What we'll do then, we'll hammer that in, so it's spiked into the timber, and then we'll flip it over, put the washer over, and then the nut. Right, so as you can see the bolts sticking out through, place the washer over, and then we'll place the nut over in a second, like we have here. Tighten that there, and then Parker will show you